Listen, you're not stuck because you don't know enough. You're stuck because you're wasting time pretending research is progress. You're gathering facts, watching videos, making plans, but none of that counts until you act. Here's the truth. No one figures it all out before they start. You learn as you go. You face problems when they show up. Not in theory. Planning feels safe, action feels risky. But you know what's riskier? Staying stuck. Every minute you spend overthinking is a minute stolen from actually doing the work. So here's the move. Give yourself 30 minutes, learn the basics, then start. No extra time, no, just one more video. If it interests you, go for it. The rest, you'll figure out on the way. And honestly, that's how you gain confidence in yourself. Navigating through the challenges, making a route for yourself. Enough excuses, enough waiting. Stop feeding your fear with endless prep. Get up, get uncomfortable, get to work, now.